Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae and I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss rental assistance programs. Guys, I have programs that are offering up to $30,000 in rental assistance. We also have where Fema is now offering their rental assistance, emergency home repairs, USDA home grants, and a lot more. So I have a little bit of something for everyone. So if you want to know how to get this money, honey, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you love me bringing this content to you. Now, guys, if you do not have Amazon Prime, you can try it out absolutely free for 30 days by clicking the link above or down in the comments below. And you can use Amazon Prime for anything, okay, especially during the holiday season. Now, a lot of states that I'm going to mention, these are just now states that are putting out the programs. And I know, like with the rising cost of living and eviction concerns and rent increases, I really wanted to find you guys some resources. So do me a favor, definitely drop your state down in the comments below. Most states have a lot of rental assistance programs, and I'll definitely tailor that information to where you're at, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and kick things off in New York. What up, New York? So in New York, the Housing Authority, they are stepping up with 2 state-funded programs for my New Yorker to help tenants who have fallen behind on their rent. So guys, they've already launched these 2 state programs that will help cover up to 12 months of past due rent. And we know that New York rent is high, baby. It's expensive for a little sardine can, right? So if you are in New York City or you're a resident who owes rent from March of 2020 through May of 2023, then you may qualify for this assistance. Now, New York has already sent out 61,500 households letters of notification telling them to just go ahead and log into the self portal. And then at that point, it'll say apply for rental arrears assistance. And then you just fill out that consent form. So they will actually act on behalf to secure the funds for you. But once approved, you'll receive like a notice in the mail letting you know how much assistance you're going to get, and the funds will be credited directly to your rent account. So all my New York people, this is a huge relief for families that are struggling to recover from the economic impact of the pandemic as well. Let me know if you received a letter. But next, we're headed to Texas. Oh, what up, Texas? Where there is emergency home repairs. Now in Arlington, Texas, this is some serious help as well that's available if you're dealing with emergency home repairs. So say if like your AC has broken down in the Texas heat or your sewer line has issues, then as of right now in Texas, they're giving out $10,000. And this is in repair grants. And this is through the Arlington Housing Authority. So here's what you need to know about this program. The program is available to low-income homeowners whose income is at or below 80% of the area median income. And according to HUD, the repairs must be urgent, guys. So these are things that will affect like your life, your health, your safety. So let's think of like major plumbing issues or maybe a broken AC in the middle of a Texas summer, right? That's an emergent situation. Also, you have to have where your property taxes, they must be up to date. And you cannot go ahead and get these repairs and then try to list your home for sale. This grant is a one-time only grant, but the great news is you can apply for this grant every 3 years. So make sure you go ahead and apply, get those repairs as well handled for free. All right, next we're headed to Illinois, where they have the rental assistance program for tenants and landlords as well. So over in Illinois, they have a brand new rental assistance program. It has launched, but it's designed to help both the tenant and the landlord, especially if you're facing eviction. So right now, if you have an active eviction case in court, you could be eligible for up to $15,000 in emergency rent payments. Now, this program started on September 20th and it is state funded, but you can apply for past due rents that date back to March 2020, as well as they'll give you court costs up to $500 and even 2 months of future rent to prevent the evictions as well. So it's available to all tenants regardless of your immigration status, no social security number. It's Illinois housing help, guys. So even it doesn't matter if you stay in Springfield or you stay in other parts of Illinois, this is Illinois, the state. So both the tenant and the landlord, you'll have sections that you have to complete on the application, but either party can start the process first. So once both sides have submitted their forms or the application, then the funds can go ahead and be processed and applied directly to your rent account to stop the eviction proceedings. All right. All right, let's go ahead and talk FEMA, because right now in Georgia, there is rental assistance where FEMA is offering to those that have been affected by the Hurricane Helene, as well as Tropical Storm Debbie. So if you were impacted between August 4th and August 20th, and just say you have uninsured losses, so if your insurance is going to pay for it, you can't double dip, y'all. Don't even try to. But if your insurance is not going to pay for it, FEMA's rental assistance is helping both renters and homeowners who are having serious housing needs. So it doesn't matter if you are a student or a renter that is in one of the affected 60 counties in Georgia, you can apply for this assistance to go ahead and cover your housing and shelter needs as well. Now, homeowners that have a little bit more serious damage, you can apply as well. So don't hesitate to check it out. You can apply by phone. You can apply online as well as through the FEMA website as well. And when I tell you guys, I don't know if they're doing this for FEMA in North Carolina, South Carolina. I think I've seen something in Tennessee, but I know in Georgia right now. Now, also for my people that's in Louisiana, if you're in the Webster Parish, then the Catholic Charities of North Louisiana is offering rent and utility assistance on October 24th. But you got to make an appointment to apply for this one. So this program is a by appointment only from 9:30 to 3 p.m. at the Webster Parish Library. But to qualify, you need to be a Webster resident or a Webster Parish resident and have like a photo ID of all the adults that's in your household, social security numbers for everyone that's in your household or members of your household, proof of income for the last 30 days, and then for rent assistance, you need a copy of your lease agreement as well. They also will do rental assistance and utility assistance as well. For if you're going to apply for both, then for your utility assistance, you need the last 3 months of your utility bill. But once again, guys, this is another great opportunity for you to get help with those bills, but just make sure you register for your appointment online in advance. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and talk about home ownership, because maybe people don't know about this, but the USDA does have affordable homeowners pilot program that's in West Virginia and a whole lot of other states. So if you're unaware, the USDA, they do have a rural development, and they have now extended their program to affordable home ownership pilot program. And this program does provide financial assistance to low-income families to construct manufactured homes in rural areas to make home ownership more affordable. Now, they have went on and extended this program to May 1st of 2025, and it is available in the following states. So we have like Iowa, Colorado, Louisiana, Texas, West Virginia, Michigan, Utah, Ohio, North Dakota, Montana, Nevada, New Hampshire, Mississippi, Virginia, Vermont, Tennessee, South Dakota, Wyoming, and Washington. So if you live in one of those states and maybe you're looking to purchase a home as well, you can look into their affordable home financing options, and they will go ahead and help you achieve that financial stability so you can start building your wealth as well. So be sure to check that out. We do have like a rural area development financing program here in Alabama, but this is what we have, guys. This is it for today's video. Definitely drop your state down in the comments below so I can find resources that best fit where you live. As always, grab you some Amazon Prime, and please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later.